In honor of the Arbitrum airdrop that happened today, we're going to take a look at a project that not only is on the Arbitrum network, but also gives you airdrops just for holding the token. Let's take a look at Hamachi Finance. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, we're on Hamachi.finance. First glance, when I looked at this project, I was like, this is like a meme token. It's got some gimmicks to it. Then I took a look at the light paper and I looked at their Twitter, and it's a really cool concept. It's something different than I've seen before, so I decided to cover it. Okay, so let's get right into it. It says, build a diverse portfolio with Hami, Arbitrum's first multi-currency rewards token. So basically what it is you buy the token. It's going to be on Sushi Swap on the Arbitrum network, obviously, and you hold it and you are airdropped different tokens that they buy through the protocol. If we take a look at the light paper, the way that works is it says Hamachi Finance was created in January 2023 and launched on Arbitrum network, kicking off Arbitrum's season with a rewards token that is based on trade volume. Rewards go directly to Hami holders in the form of the current rewards token being farmed. Hamachi Finance is a community meme-fi, which they call it meme-fi instead of defi, which has the fun of a meme token, but more importantly, a reward mechanism to strengthen the Hamachi community's value proposition. I know if people that aren't a fan of meme tokens, you could probably just turn this video off right now. I'm not really either, but this has a lot of unique features to it. We are also bringing mass exposure, token buys, a number of unique holder wallets, and more to other Arbitrum projects. So they're trying to hold up the other Arbitrum projects as well. The vision of Hamachi is to be the token to accumulate and farm other tokens on the Arbitrum network and eventually go cross-chain, multi-chain. Simply buy and hold Hami and earn rewards. Okay, if we scroll down, here's the tokenomics. There's 50 billion Hami tokens max supply. Circulating supply is a little under 20 billion tokens. Now let's take a look at the reason that I'm doing this video, and it's because of the uniqueness of this protocol. It says Hamachi Finance allows holders to diversify their portfolio by simply buying and holding Hami. This is done through our Hamachi code contract that automatically distributes rewards to Hami holders with reflection mechanics to sustain the longevity of the Hamachi Finance protocol and Hamachi community. We put the community at the forefront. Hamachi Finance can provide rewards of any ERC 20 that are distributed back to holders based on Hami held, weighted distribution. The more you hold, the more you get back in rewards. Our philosophy is to help crypto enthusiasts to diversify their portfolio and to choose top candidates as the reward token being farmed and distributed. There is more information on the selection of the reward token in the reward token section. I think this is really cool because you can get a bunch of different tokens from holding it instead of just staking one token and getting that exact same token. And then they're giving the community an option to vote on which project is next to get rewards from. Okay, then to go further, they say problem and solution. Hamachi Finance identified a missing component in the Arbitrum ecosystem, a token that can diversify portfolios and aid crypto enthusiasts to learn more about and gain more exposure to other projects. We all know crypto is extremely volatile, so by building a project that automatically creates a diverse portfolio, users are getting their risk spread by design. These projects are well vetted by the Hamachi Finance analyst team alongside value members of the Hami community. We identified this universal need for diverse portfolio building across various chains and are planning to expand cross-chain and multi-chain in the future, which is cool as well. Then we go down here, it says reward token. Hamachi Finance Protocol operates as a meme-fi token with reward token mechanics. Each buy and sell is taxed 7%, which is used to farm the reward token and then distribute it to Hami holders. The current token actually is Arbitrum. That's what they're using, or they're giving out as a reward token. I actually got some today, actually. Daily rewards fluctuate as the contract is based on daily volume. Reward tokens that have been farmed thus far are Jones and Radiant token. Radiant was a pretty popular one recently, picked by the team of Hamachi Finance Crypto. We research projects that look like potential candidates with room to grow and expand in upcoming cycles. The Hamachi community will also have a means to discuss and vote on which reward token to switch to next. Projects will all undergo research and analysis to make sure the reward token candidates are legitimate. And then community involvement. Want to get more involved? Hamachi Finance is always looking and receptive to feedback from the community for reward token decisions. We will move to a future community vote, and votes will be weighted by Hami Token's helper wallet, in addition to plans to go multi-chain. We will also be opening up votes for token cross-chain for the Hamachi community to vote on. And down here it says yields in DeFi. Hamachi Finance is the birth of MemeFi and rewards token distribution on Arbitrum network. First of a kind protocol on Arbitrum. A yield is based on token volume. However, Hamachi plans to explore future yield mechanics and additional DeFi mechanics to provide additional yields. As the Hamachi Finance protocol grows, so does the opportunity to launch on multiple chains and explore more routes to add value back to the Hamachi Finance community. Not something I'm going to go all in on, but I think it's pretty cool. You can get distributed multiple projects on Arbitrum just from holding the token. So let's take a look at the dashboard here. Planning on branching out to different networks as well. So that's cool for the future. On the dashboard, it says so far they've rewarded 653.4 Ethereum, which is a lot, with 9 different projects, 64% APY, which fluctuates, I guess, based on how many fees there are from buys and sells. And then if we go to the app, and it's got a pretty cool dashboard. It shows how many holders. The tax is always going to be 7. I think it's always going to be 7%. Circulating supply, the current APY. And then it's got your pending rewards. And then whatever the reward token is currently. It's supposed to be, right now it's supposed to be, let me refresh this. It's Arbitrum, yeah. Currently it's Arbitrum as the reward token. So that's what they're paying out for the time being. And it's at a 64% APR, or APY, I should say. And to buy the token, you just go to this front page and you click on this. It'll take you right to Sushi Swap. And you'll need ETH, or I think you could probably buy it with the ARB token now. And if you need to know how to buy it, you can click here and they'll show you a video on exactly how to buy it. Thought this was just a pretty cool, fun project. Oh, wait, there's this Ponzu protocol. It's like a lottery type thing. I'll click on it real quick. You have to risk tokens though. So you put tokens in. I guess it's the Hamachi Finance created the first meme allowing users to accumulate future blue chip projects on Arbitrum and beyond. Ponzu protocol is the first meme-fi Lego built on Hamachi, allowing users to bet their rewards for a chance of winning the jackpot. Hami holders stake their tokens on Ponzu protocol. By doing so, they forfeit the rewards to the Ponzu game pool. So you're basically gambling them. So just make sure you know that if you're going to do that. As long as their Hami tokens are deposited, each staker gets a chance to make it big by winning the jackpot. So it's a lottery, basically. Deposit, and it's a lottery. I'm not going to do that. I'm not much of like a lotto gambler. So that's not my style, but if you want to, it's up to you. Not financial advice for sure. Cool project. I just thought, because of the Arbitrum airdrop today, it does have some cool tokenomics to it, like the way that it's going to give the rewards out. We're going to be receiving something, weekly at least. Probably more than that, actually. Because right now there's only 2,600 holders. So let's take a look at the price action before. If we take a look, CoinGecko, DSLA, that's one I'm going to cover pretty cool one too. Hami is at 0.00089 cents, and the current market cap is 16 million. So very small market cap, and you get a ton of tokens for a couple bucks. Definitely a fun, interesting project. A little different. You get airdrops, which I thought was cool. It's not for everyone. I'm sure it's not. I cover a lot of different projects on this channel. If there's any that I'm missing, make sure you drop them in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.